When our customers are happy, we're happy. And when they write to tell us why they're so excited, we get excited to share it. They were so impressed about the great customer service they've received that they went online and left this review. Great reviews like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of customer satisfaction possible. Making our customers happy is one of our strongest motivation, and we strive to make our customers happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use us in the future. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why our customers write these amazing reviews about us. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.